Everybody fucking jump!
Alright guys and gals, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this show started. Out the box. You already know what these are. I got by the GOAT fiasco and they sent me a couple fake pairs. So you got a little bit of box action. Small label gang. The shoe reads the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Black, White, and Particle Gray. Everybody went crazy for these. Got them off of this pair of StockX. Like I said, I had to switch back with GOAT. I had to get my money back for the ones they sent me. I went back and got a whole bunch of them from StockX. You see the little paper, the Jordan paper. That's the blurred out shoes on Jordan feet, the red ones. Keep this paper together. Let's get this light out. I enjoy the Rebellionaires. They're a good shoe in my opinion. Heavily sought after right now because they only popped up in boutiques and shops that specialize in sneakers. I had to do the squeeze test on all of these. All mine came superb from StockX. Thank you StockX for doing an excellent job. Extra pair of white laces. You get black laces in the shoe. New StockX tag. Matches the X on the back of the Rebellionaire. Overall, like I said, it's a pretty good shoe in my opinion. If you happen to like Jordan 1s, I know the silhouette is dying. A lot of people are moving on from the Jordan 1 silhouette, but I don't think I'll ever move on. It's gonna always be my shoe choice. Either this or the Adidas Forum. Those are just my opinions though. You could have a different shoe. Like I said, see writing all over the shoe. Writing on the toe box. Normal Nike Air. Nothing on the inside of the tag. Nothing on the inside of the shoe. Just regular. Get the bag in here. QR code. You see, same pattern onto the side of the shoe. Nike swoosh with the gray, white writing. Back of the shoe, red X on the background of the gray and white writing. Side of the shoe basically the same as the other side. You can see a little bit more white writing up here. Another thing I want to show you guys before I move on is this is how you can tell that most of the fakes. You have to look at the Air Jordan logo. They don't put it as dark as this. So make sure if you're buying a pair, look out for that. If that thing doesn't look like that, it's not that dark or colored in, you know it's bogus. A lot of them are light. Also, the shoe's just generally lighter if it's a fake. It doesn't feel right. But like I said, make sure you guys are careful out there. So check your lace bag as well. Laces. Extra pair of whites. New StockX tag, like I said. Alright, I'm going to give you guys a look at what the shoe is going to look like when it's on your foot. At least what people see while it's on your foot. Alright guys, let me know what shoes you want to see on the channel next. Let me know what shoes you're buying. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day out there.
Everybody fucking jump!